To install Latera Content Companion as a local installation, first download the installer package from our Customer Center. Then, launch the Latera Content Companion MSI. Click Next following the prompts, and check the checkboxes for the End User License Agreement. Enter your product key. There's no need to install with administrator features because this is a local installation. Choose Local and click Next. Verify your destination folder. Once installation has completed, click Finish, and you're able to now launch Word and start utilizing Latera Content Companion.